Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Assurant Insurance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Assurant Insurance website. Once on the home page, locate the Get a Quote button prominently displayed. Click on the Get a Quote button to proceed. You will now be prompted to select the type of insurance you need. Choose from options such as renters, auto, or homeowners insurance. After selecting your desired insurance type, fill out the required information. Enter your personal details, including your name, address, and contact information. Next, provide additional details specific to the insurance type you selected. For renters insurance, include the value of your belongings. For auto insurance, input your vehicle details such as make, model, and year. Once all information is entered, review your details for accuracy. After confirming your details, click on the Continue button. You will now receive a list of coverage options and pricing. Select the coverage that best fits your needs and budget. After making your selection, you will be prompted to create an account. Fill out the necessary account information, including your email and password. Once your account is created, review your selected plan one last time. If everything looks good, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information, including your credit card details. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your purchase. Click on the Complete Purchase button to finalize your installation. You will receive a confirmation email with your policy details shortly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Assurant Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.